Hi everyone, I'm Ben Kaplan, Director of Education at YIVO, and I'm coming to you live on Facebook today because it is launch day. We've just launched A Seat at the Table, A Journey into Jewish Food, our latest online course. Unit 1 is now live, so you can check out the class today and at any time that you would like to access it. For those of you who are new to YIVO, YIVO was founded in 1925 in Vilna, which was then in Poland, is now in Lithuania, and we have been working to educate the public about Ashkenazi Jewish history and culture, and to bring the many wonderful archival objects that we have in our archive to everyone around the world. So we are many things. We're a library and archive. We do public programs, we do exhibitions, and we offer classes both in person and online. Now all of our classes are online, given the pandemic, but we hope to be having more in-person classes soon. So if you're coming to us for the first time accessing an online course or accessing this online course, it's a course we've been working on for 2 years, and we're really excited to show you all the course today. It's a comprehensive deep dive into the history of Ashkenazi Jewish foodways, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the course that we have live now. So the course starts, we are looking at the first unit here. There's a welcome section. There's a little bit about YIVO, as I just gave that brief spiel. And there's a little bit about the YIVO archives. And then we get into the course itself. So there's a combination of video lectures. We have an intro from Liz Alpern and Jeffrey Yaskowitz from the Gefilte Ria. Liz and Jeffrey are going to be your guides throughout the course. So they are going to be cooking with you. They're going to be telling you about what's coming up next in each unit. They are wonderful cookbook authors, chefs, and educators. So they're going to be fantastic guides for you as you move through this course. So here's a brief intro from Liz and Jeffrey. This is the first lecture from Dara Goldstein, who's our lead scholar. Dara's lecture is here. And then throughout the class, you're going to see archival objects. So here are just a few of them. You can see archival objects from both Europe and from America. And then you're going to get into cooking demos, and there's going to be downloadable recipes. So I'll give you an example here. So you can watch a video about knishes and the history of knishes, and then you can just click through here and see the knish recipe from the Gefilte Ria. This is from their book, The Gefilte Manifesto. So there's a lot of content in this class. I'm excited for you to check it out. You can also go to yivo.org/food if you have, ooh, 1 second here. Okay. So this is our page. If you've already taken the class, this is where you registered for the class initially. And you'll see down here, we have a share your recipe function. So if you have a Jewish food recipe from your family, or one that you've heard, or one that you've cooked with before, and you have a story that you want to tell us, this is not just us educating you. We want to be able to share your stories and collect as much material as we can and document these stories for future generations. So you can fill out this form here, and you can tell us your food story, and those stories will be added to the YIVO archives, and they will be kept there for future generations and preserved. So we want you to come share with us, and we hope you'll check out the class and enjoy it. Please comment in the comments here on the video. You can write in the discussion board in the class, and we hope to see you soon. Take care.